Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme C12 versus the Xiaomi Redmi 9S. Redmi 9S as well as the Realme C12 is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset with the 3GB of RAM, and also on the back we get the triple cameras on the back as you can see. So I am super excited to see who is going to be the fastest one. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first. It is a lot faster on the Realme C12 followed by the Xiaomi Redmi 9S, and let's see who is faster there. And also both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Realme UI version 1.0 on the Realme C12 compared to a MIUI version 12 on the Redmi Note 9S, and you can see that the Realme C12 it is just a tiny bit faster when it comes to booting up. And yes, you can see that both phones give you a very similar display. We have a 720p IPS HD display on both phones, and the display quality as well as screen to body ratio, it is a lot better on the Realme C12. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and you can see that it's a little bit faster on the Redmi 9S followed by the Realme C12, and again both phones give you a same chipset. Now let's check out settings, and that is again faster on the Xiaomi Redmi. Amazon shopping on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that the Redmi 9S it is faster there, while the Realme C12 now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there, which is very shocking, I have to say. Let's check out Snapchat, faster on the Redmi. Now let's see the Instagram, and faster on the Xiaomi Redmi 9S followed by the Realme C12. And guys, now let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and very interesting to see who is perform faster despite having the same chipset on both phones. And you can see that the Xiaomi Redmi 9S it is just a tiny bit faster there followed by the Realme C12. Now let's see the Subway Surfer, one more game application in this speed test, and the display quality it is a little bit better on the Realme C12, and also the battery size it is also way bigger on the Realme C12 compared to a 5000 and a 6000 mAh battery size on the Realme C12. And you can see, and definitely Redmi 9S. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 on both phones, and now let's see who is fast there. And again I have to say that the Redmi 9S it is faster there. Yes, it is just a tiny bit faster there than the Realme C12 despite having a same chipset. Now let's opening up the Spotify, and you can see both phones is perform about the same in the Spotify app. Now let's opening up the Twitter, faster on the Xiaomi Redmi. Last time I launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is faster on the Realme C12 followed by the Redmi 9S. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Google Chrome on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, wikipedia.org. Next on the list is the WWE.com. It is a heavy website. Let's see who is faster there, and you can see that the Xiaomi Redmi 9C it is feels like faster, but at the end Realme C12 it is faster there followed by the Redmi 9C. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see that feels really smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones comes with a 3GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. And the Realme as well as the Xiaomi is launched one variant of this phone which I have here right now. Phone dialer that is refresh on both phones. The settings, and that is only refresh on the Redmi 9C. Amazon shopping, that is again refresh. Let's see Snapchat, that is a refresh on both phones. Instagram, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and that is refresh on both phones, and both phones perform really bad in the RAM management. Subway Surfer, let's see the Temple Run 2. Spotify, Now let's see the Twitter, that is also refresh on both phones. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and that is only refresh on the Realme C12. It is not refresh on the Redmi 9C. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely faster on the Redmi 9C compared to the Realme C12. And also the RAM management, it is really bad on both phones. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates in the future. And guys, overall I have to say that the Redmi 9C, it is a value phone for money, I have to say, compared to the Realme C12. But if you want the best battery life, then I have to say that the Realme C12 give you a much better battery life than the Redmi 9C, because we get a 6000 mAh battery size on the Realme C12 compared to a 5000 on the Redmi 9C. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme C12 versus the Redmi 9C. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.